If you're a tech enthusiast, then you need to check out these AI tools. They could change your life in 2024. First up, ChatGPT Plus. This powerhouse offers faster responses and smarter conversations. Need help with ideas, essays, or code? ChatGPT Plus has you covered. Next, Canva's Magic Write. Designing and need some snappy text? Magic Write crafts perfect captions, posts, and more. Just a few prompts and boom, text magic. Tool number 3, Notion AI, your ultimate productivity buddy. It organizes tasks, drafts emails, and even creates to-do lists. Staying on top of your work has never been easier. Coming in at 4, Jasper AI. Content creators, rejoice. Jasper helps you whip up blogs, marketing copy, and social posts. Say goodbye to writer's block. Finally, DALL-E 3. Want custom images from text prompts? DALL-E creates stunning visuals in a snap. It's like having a personal artist. So there you have it. 5 AI tools to revolutionize your 2024. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech tips. Catch you in the next video. Catch you in the next.